I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. So while you cannot completely disable Meta AI on Instagram, there are some things you can do. So the first thing you need to do is locate Meta AI in your Instagram. Just go ahead and open your Instagram app. It's right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you're there, you just need to go to your inboxes, which is right at the top right corner, and just open your Meta AI chat. Once you've been there, the first thing to do is accessing Meta AI's profile. So after you open your Meta AI chat, you just need to tap on the eye icon in the top right corner, which is right here, which means details. And after you're here, you have options like profile, search, mute, share, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on mute, which is located right next to the bell icon, and make sure you mute messages and hide message previews. You can also choose the mute duration to any way you want and just confirm the mute. So this wouldn't automatically disable Meta AI on Instagram, but you would not get suggestions or notifications from Meta AI itself. So there you go, that's how you turn off Meta AI on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.